check, testing. Check, check. 1, 2, hello. Okay?
On a jury that we've had who helped shortlist over 350 online entries, and we had 43 physical entries, and they have shortlisted the 15 top entries which will now compete for Max Design Awards. To talk to you and tell you more about the criteria, we'll show you a couple of AVs, but the judges helping us do that, we have Priyadarshini Rao from Mumbai, right? I'm sure you all know Priyadarshini. We have Mr. Basant Kumar, MD Max from Bangalore. From Delhi, we have our extraordinary designer, Mr. Varun Bail, who's a friend and an extremely talented designer. Of course, you all know Nachiket, right? One of the designers who the media loves in Mumbai.
Just back from Paris.
Just back from Paris, absolutely. And of course, we have Kamakshi Kaul. She is a head designer from Max in Bangalore, right? So we'll just take you through to a couple of AVs, and then after that, I request Mr. Basant.
And over 5 million customers. The objective of this Max Design Award is to bring fashion to the customers without losing its integrity as a creative product. This also is an opportunity for us to help launch careers for designers. In our group, there are over 200 designers in various formats working with us from across all institutes. We felt it's time to go back and help the students to showcase their talent using the brand Max because of its width and breadth and awareness, and help launch their careers. This third year Max Design Award has become bigger and better. I remember 3 years back we had participation from 20 institutes. Today we are having over 60 institutes participating. Earlier we had around 60-70 entries. Today we have over 350 entries. We are fortunate to have eminent jury. We have Varun Behel, Nachiket, Priyadarshini Rao, and the able project director, Mr. Mark. So over the past, the whole day, they went through the nominations. They had 43 shortlisted initially, and from then they have gone into the final 15. The creativity was very good, and they were very happy on the output. From our side, Brand Max, we are very happy to be part of this process because the final winners will get to be showcased in Elle magazine as a fashion section. They also will be interned by the eminent jury so that their career, they leapfrog in terms of their career. And we also will use their creativity to launch our Spring 18 line. So it's a good combination of creativity and accessibility, and that's what Max is all about. I'm very happy how the whole event has turned out so far, and I wish all the very best for this top 15 finalists, and may the best the designers take the award this year. Thank you.
The response has been overwhelming, and one tends to gauge and sort of get an idea as to how the event has grown when faculty start calling you up and asking you, when are you coming to our college to do a presentation for Max? When are the Max Design Awards taking place? It really warms the cockles of one heart when one gets to know that apart from visiting 60 colleges, other faculties are calling us up and asking us, can even first year students take part? You know, because the competition is only open to final year students and students who are in the pre-final year. But when we have a platform like this, which is so credible, which acts as a catalyst to get them into the industry, it's really, really phenomenal. So the entries have multiplied. We had 350 online entries, and I think our jury has done a commendable job in bringing it down to 15.
So I understand the theme to be into the dark.
The dark side. Into the dark is where you always like to go.
Anyway, is that the reason why all of you are color coordinated in Max? I wear black all the time. Yeah, you too.
But you do know that black is slimming, right? There's your answer.
Not really. Until a certain amount. Not on the weight scale. Beyond that, it's not. Okay, on a serious note, I'd like to ask, the designers to start with, Varun and Nashik. What is your takeaway from this team, and how did you go about filtering the So, how did you, set your practice and go about filtering the
I think there was a process involved here. We all went through these. I think the 350 entries was first. There was an internal jury who shortlisted about 43 for us to go through, and then I think we gave it a lot of time to each applicant, and we followed, I think collectively came up with a process to, first it was a yes or a maybe or a definite no, and then we revisited each and every entry, and that's how we came to 15 finalists.
And I think good talent sort of shines by itself. So even if the designers are not there to represent their work here, when you look at their submission, the quality of the sketches, whether there is clarity of thought, whether there is a sense of sort of a clear thinking where fabrics, swatches, techniques, all of that is there, where from an idea till the final product, one can see it through their submission. That automatically sort of puts them ahead as a winner, combined with innovative thought. So that's what we looked at.
Yes, of course. The Pret, we have called for 2 entries. Like per entry, there are supposed to be 2 garments. So there's a couture and the Pret garment. And of course, in the Pret garment, we have to see the practicality. So even though the students have not done costings and not broken down to what cost it would be, but we also saw that is this practical enough? Is it a good? Has the theme been translated well into couture as well as Pret? So yeah.
After this point, when the 15 entries go into, they now become clothes that will be shown on the ramp. So there is a limit. They've been given a price of 20,000 rupees, which will be given to every student to manufacture these 2 pieces. They've been told that you cannot exceed this, and they have to give a kind of a working to show how it has been used. So I think somewhere not to stop their creativity, but to give them an idea of the fact that spending more money is not going to make you a fabulous outfit. So I think all those areas are great, but at the same time, it's good. This is end of the day, this is about the students. It's good to not take away their creativity. It's good to let them express themselves. Once they're in the industry, they are going to have very strong parameters. For example, if they work with Max, they will understand how to put a retail collection together. If they intern with one of the designers, they still have to learn how to cost their garments and things like that. So I think that will be a process in their
Fashion is different for every person. So they may see the fashion differently from their viewpoint. You may see it differently. So and also, did you get some new insights, new learnings, looking at the new students, and how has it evolved over the period of these past few years? Are they coming out with good ideas?
See, I think fashion is very linked to in terms of thinking. How they consume the world, how socially media active they are, shapes how they sort of look at design. 10 years ago, you had to go to a library and find a book and color Xerox it. And now it's all on their smartphone. They don't need to move off the couch also if they don't want to. So that definitely shapes how they think. But when it comes to what is good design, I think it's at some level highly subjective. But what is also contextually relevant for the product, and most importantly, is it innovative? Because it could be beautiful, but if it's one of the many that we've seen before.
This student deserves the chance to show on the ramp. I'm sure.
Yeah, I think you said it all, but what I can say is there was a lot of challenge. In fact, I would love for one or two of them to work with me in future. That's it.
You know, I think learning doesn't stop. I mean, no matter
Exactly.
where in the food chain sort of you are.
But I think as and when we grow older, we need younger talent to come and tell us that hello, you're old and you
And
need
it's
our
nice to
ideas.
see.
What about after internship over, what will happen afterwards? Will you provide job or what?
See, this is only a platform to help launch them. It's not something to spoon feed and carry them in a boat. They have to learn to swim eventually. Everybody has to.
The thing this year was the dark side.
The dark side.
But just to answer the question before that, you're asking about employment opportunities. And apart from the cash gratification, what's really important is that the fact they get to work with Max on their spring summer collection 2018. And Max, in its generosity, can also offer them placement if so required. Placement opportunities do arise, depending how talented they are, depending what the students want at that point in time. Yes, but Max does provide a platform for also placement opportunities.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Vasant, the landmark group doesn't need an introduction, but coming with this award since last, this is the third edition.
Yes.
How it benefit?
We have a large design fraternity working for us. There are designers, over 200 designers across various formats. These designers also look at the company, seeing what the new generation of designers, apart from just giving employment. Because today a lot of designers wants to branch on their own. Very soon there will be designers working from outside for companies.